We are actually prepping some blower units for sale. And a lot of people don't know. Blower units as a whole will fit on a motor, but they have different ratios. And ratios are like gear ratios in the rear end of a car for your car guys. Some are 4-to-1. These are usually like 1.5 to 1 to 2 to 1. And it's very important to know the ratio before you sell it, because yeah, it'll fit on the guy's motor, but he's got to do different RPMs. It'd be a huge problem if it's twin engines. So somebody will call you and say, hey, one motor's not getting RPM, the other is. It's because the ratio is different. So this is a V6 Merc. They come in 1.87 to 1 and 2 to 1. So we want to know so we can label it, warranty it, sell it on the internet. So what you always do is you always turn this shaft until the prop shaft's turning when it's in gear. We put it in gear and it'll turn right away. If you don't start the process of turning it, sometimes if you just shifted it, there's some play in the gears and you won't get an accurate number. So we're gonna go. So we've lined up our mark on our drive shaft. That's always the bigger number, the ratio. That's the mark we put on the prop shaft. So we're gonna turn this. So we went to 1. What we can do is just look, we're at 1, and we're a little bit right at half right there. So we're going to 2. As you know, we looked up, we actually have a dyno book where it tells us our ratios, what they could be. Usually this information is also available in owner's manuals. So owner's manuals are good, repair manuals, and of course, good old Google. So we're going to turn it, that's 1 turn. We know we're going to be at least 187 to 1. 187 to 1, as you know, it's almost 2, so we're going to go right there, check. And we're pretty much lined up, so. So as you see, we line up here. Just about a little bit off, so turn this a little bit more. Oh, that's good. So it's not quite lined up. So this is a 1.87 to 1, which is the most common one. So we know that we can promote that when we sell it. Really important. Another thing to know is if you buy an older motor, chances are the lower unit's been exchanged at one point. And maybe they put the wrong ratio on it. Sometimes there's a drastic difference. This one's pretty subtle. So it's a good thing to know. You can actually do it when it's still attached. You can just mark the flywheel, turn the flywheel, take the spark plugs out, check your gear ratio. Important stuff.